Siddeshwar, good morning. Good morning, everyone. So last class, I told to collect information about our neighboring countries, isn't it? So we saw about our country, number of states, isn't it? Okay, now I told to collect information about our neighboring countries. On the whole, how many? 7. Rubik's Cube, okay? 7. Only 7, are you sure? We have 9. We have 9 neighboring countries on the whole. Okay, 7 on land. Yes, Shivesh, you are correct. 7 on land and 2 in sea. Okay, 7 on land and 2 on sea. So, total 9 neighboring countries are there. So, what are the neighboring countries? Can you name them? Can you name them? Yes, Nepal. Yes, Kadarani, you are correct. Land borders are only 7. Okay, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka. Okay, very good. And two countries in sea, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Okay, Sri Lanka and Maldives. So, yes, Naveen, very good. Totally, we have signed nine neighboring countries. So, what are they? Once again, Bangladesh. Thailand is not our neighboring country, Devaguru. See, Bangladesh, China, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Myanmar, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. Only 9. Okay. 7, we share our borders with 7 countries on land and 2 maritime borders. That is, maritime means in sea. We share the sea borders with very good, Raghav, very good. So we share our sea borders with Sri Lanka and Maldives. Okay. So do you know the capitals of these countries? 35 seconds. Very good, Alan. Very good. Do you know the capital cities of these countries? What's the capital of Pakistan? Capital of Pakistan? Islamabad. Very good, Naveen. Islamabad. Yes. China? China? Beijing. Very good. Yes, Beijing. Yes. So capital of Pakistan is Islamabad and China is Beijing. So what about Afghanistan? Afghanistan? Very good, Nafil. Kabul. Very good. It is Kabul. Very good, Nafil. It is Kabul. Very good. Then Bangladesh. Dhaka. Very good, Naveen and Nafil. It is Dhaka. Bavidraj, very good. It is Dhaka. So Pakistan, Islamabad, China, Beijing, Afghanistan, Kabul, Bangladesh, Dhaka. Then what about Myanmar? What about Myanmar? Rajan, Kabul is the capital of Afghanistan. I'm asking about Myanmar. Is it correct? What about Myanmar? Naypyidaw and Yangon. So Rangoon is now called as Yangon, isn't it? Rangoon, previously they used to call as Rangoon, but now they're calling it as Yangon. Naypyidaw, yes, very good, Siddeshwar, very good. Yangon, yes, very good. Then what about Sri Lanka? Colombo. Yes, very good, Vitraj. Colombo. Colombo is the capital of Sri Lanka. Very good. Colombo is the capital of Sri Lanka. Very good. Yes. So, about Maldives. Maldives. Capital of Maldives. Yes, Siddheshwar. Previously, it was called as Burma only. Now, later on, the name was changed as Myanmar. In 50s, 60s, 70s, all they used to call as Burma. Okay, what about Malay? Yes, capital of Maldives, Malay. So Maldives itself is called as Malay only, isn't it? It is the city of Maldives, Malay. Okay. Have you seen Nepal? We left Nepal. What about Nepal? Kathmandu. Very good, now Phil. Kathmandu. Capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. Very good. Once again, we can see all the 9 neighboring countries and their name. So Pakistan, Islamabad, China, Beijing, Afghanistan, Kabul, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Myanmar, Naypyidaw, Sri Lanka, Colombo, Nepal, Kathmandu, Maldives, Malay. I think one country we left. What is that country? Bhutan. I think it's Bhutan. Capital of Bhutan, Ladakh. No. Capital of Bhutan is Ladakh. Are you sure? So Naufal is giving a different answer. Thimphu. Thimphu. So capital of Bhutan is Thimphu. Okay, where is Ladakh? Where is Ladakh? Is it in India or in any other country? It is in India. Ladakh is in India only. It is not in Nepal or in Bhutan. Okay, it is in India. Okay, yes. Okay, children. Very good, very good. So you have seen about the neighboring countries of India. Now, today, see every day, every GK class, no, we are seeing one lesson from our book, GK book also. Okay, today we can see about the Doordarshan. Okay, so have you heard the name Doordarshan? Have you heard the name Doordarshan? TV, yes, television. TV is television. So what is Doordarshan? What is Doordarshan? Doordarshan is a station, yes, relaying station. It's not a computer. It's not a computer. Okay, it is a relaying station. Okay, like we have the channel. Yes, you're correct. It is a channel. Okay, like Sun TV, Vijay TV. No, yes, very good, Ravidraj. It is run by the government. Okay, it is under Prasar Bharati. Okay, so it is under Prasar Bharati. That is, it is to broadcast, to telecast the important national information. Okay, it was, yes, very good. It was started in the year 1959. Okay, so it was started in the year 1959. Very good. Yes, it was a public broadcasting system. Public broadcasting, yes. This is today's topic. Okay, it was started in 1959, but properly, regularly, it started its broadcasting only on 1965. Okay, so many processes underwent and it started to broadcast regularly. Yes, it was first published in Hindi only. Very good. Okay, so it started its regular broadcasting only in 1965. Okay, previously, no, it was not an autonomous unit. Okay, it It is even now, yes, it is there. It was under All India Radio previously. Okay, it was under the control of All India Radio. So I think you know what is All India Radio. In short, we used to say AIR. Okay, it is a very important broadcasting unit of India. Still now it exists. Okay, it plays a very important role in spreading the news. Yes. Okay, even now we have this All India Radio. Few FM. FM are under the functioning of All India Radio. Clear? So later on, in 1982, the Doordarshan separated from All India Radio and started to function as a different unit. Okay? So even now we have that AIR, All India Radio. It sends, yes, it's called Akashvani. Very good. Yes, it is called as Akashvani. That is, its meaning is passing the message through air. Passing the message through Akashvani in air. Okay, that's what they say. Even now we have this. It has many important programs. From the day it started, no, first started to telecast the news. Okay, telecast news. Yes, voice from sky. Very good. Akashvani. Yes. Very good, very good. Who gave the information? Akashvani. Voice from sky. Very good. Avartana. Very good. Yes, children. Then after 1982, the Doordarshan began to function as a separate unit. Okay. So first, it regularly started to give a 5 minutes news bulletin. So every day it used to give 5 minutes news bulletin, and it regularly it started to give morning, afternoon, night afterwards. Okay, first it started for 5 minutes alone per day. Then again it revised it to give twice a day, thrice a day. Now we have many divisions. Very good. Yes. Now we have many divisions. That is DD Sports is there. Okay, for each and every state, they have their own Doordarshan channel, no? DD Tamil, DD Telugu, DD Malayalam, so DD News, yes. For each language, we have separate Doordarshan telecast today. Very good. So, they are giving so many information, children. Very good, children. Yes. So, today's topic is about Doordarshan and AIR. Clear? Yes, in each channel, each language they used to, they have started broadcasting this Doordarshan. Okay? Yes. Now our book topic is over. What can we spoke about now? Any general topic? Any general topic? Any topic? Countries, gems, diamonds, water animals, riddles, countries. Okay. Birds. You want to know about birds? Riddles. Okay, children. You can share your riddles now. Let us test your intelligence today. Okay. You can share your riddles now. If you know the riddles, post it. Let us find the answer for the riddles. Okay. Who all know the riddles can post it now. 4 legs up, 4 legs down. Soft in the middle and hard all around. 4 legs up, 4 legs down. Soft in the middle. Shirt. Shirt doesn't have 4 legs. No, it is not wrong. No, it is not pant also. Pant has only 2 legs. No. 4 legs up, 4 legs down, soft in the middle. I have legs, but I don't walk. Spider. Chair. Is it correct? Who posted the question? Is it correct? Chair or spider? Is it correct? Who asked the question? Is it spider or chair? Chair is correct. Chair is correct. Okay. But chair has four legs and four hands up. Four legs up and four legs down. It is chair. Okay. Second question, somebody said, I have legs, but I don't walk. Who told that? I have legs, but I don't walk. Candle. Oh, that is only chair. Okay, okay. What is the first answer then? What has to be broken before use? What has to be broken? Egg. Okay, very good. Egg. Is it correct, Devaguru? Is it egg? Okay. Bed. See, he gives a correct answer. It is bed, it seems. Four legs and four hands. Soft in the middle. It is bed. Okay, very good. Next question. Fourth question. What bank never has money? River bank. Is it correct? River bank? Yes. Okay, very good. Any other question? Power bank. Okay, that's not a correct only. Power bank. Yes, that's correct. Any other questions? What is full of holes but still holds water? What is full of holes but still holds water? What is that? Shirt? No. Full of holes but it holds water. Sponge. Okay, okay. Is it correct? Sponge? Very good, very good. Sponge. Okay. Very good. Next question. Next question. In the morning, what is the question? It runs but never stops. It is hard? Is it hard? Clock. Okay, okay, okay. Clock. When battery is over, it has to stop, no? Isn't it? Okay. Who is that? With a neck and no head. With a neck and no head. Bottle. Bottle. Is it correct? Is it bottle? Is it bottle? Who posted the question? What is always in front of you? Mirror? Is it mirror? Is it mirror? No. Six faces and 21 eyes but cannot see. I think it is cube. Is it cube? Is it cube? A dice. Okay. Okay. In the morning I am busy and in night I am free. Sun? Is it sun? Sun. Okay, okay, okay. Very good, very good. Sun only. Okay, any other riddle? I speak without a mouth. What is that? I speak without a mouth. Then I speak without a mouth. Siddheshwar, I hear without ears. Siddheshwar is giving the answer as TV. Is it correct? Is it correct? Everybody is saying TV. TV only. Okay. Okay. Next question. Next question. What is always in front of you but cannot see? Shadow. Is it shadow? Priya, I think it is air. Is it air? Priya, is it air? Not TV. Echo is the answer. Okay, Pritika. Children, echo is the answer, not the TV. Devaguru. What? Future. Future is the answer. Okay, okay. So which animal has what runs around a whole yard without moving? What runs a whole yard without moving? No idea, Priya. What is the answer? Mover. Fence. Okay, okay, okay. Fence. Okay. The answer is fence, it seems. Okay, okay, Priya. Okay. What comes down never goes up. Is it rain? Is it rain? Okay, rain is the answer. Okay. Okay. Which water animal has color blindness? Say Akash's question. Which water animal has color blindness? Whale? Is it whale, Akash? Wrong. Wrong. Aquatic animals are water animals. He is asking which water animal. It's not whale, it seems. You can run but can't walk. Missing the cones in the eye. Okay, okay, okay. It will increase but not decrease. I measure my life saved by expiring. I measure your life saved by expiring. What is the I save you by expiring? I'm big when I am octopus. Okay, okay, okay. I will increase but cannot decrease. Siddheshwar. What has a face? Okay, answer is octopus. What can you keep after giving to? I am quick when I am thin. It will increase but not decrease. Name. Somebody is saying name. What can you? I have given three riddles. Give one after the other. Both, all three are. What can you keep after giving to someone? I can run but can't walk. Is it name? So Alan is giving us name. Name. So Alan's answer is name. Okay. No. I am more but less you can see. Bird. Bird. Surya, that was the egg. The answer was egg. Okay. Okay, Raghav. Servant, what did the servant say? What did the servant say? Say they give the answer as chef. They give the answer as chef. Is it correct? Is it correct? So two questions are there without any answer. I measure my life. I save you by expiring. I'm quick, I am. Harish, is it the shadow? Harish, is it the shadow? I think it is man, isn't it? Baby, adult, man only, no. Okay, I think it is man only. Baby, a human, yes. I am tall when I am young. What is the question? I am tall when I am young. Candle. Okay, the answer is candle. Candle. Really, I don't. Candle or pencil? What is the answer? Candle or pencil? Gopi 65. What is that? I am more, there is, the less you see me. What is that? I am, children, what is the answer? I am more, there is, but less you can see. What is that? It will increase but cannot decrease. But cannot decrease. Siddheshwar, what is the answer? Age. Okay, very good. Devagro has given the answer. Priya, what is the answer, Priya? Height. Okay. It is height, it seems. I have branches, no fruits and no trees. It fly in the air without rope. It fly in the air without rope. Bubbles, air bubble or water bubble? Birds. Okay, okay, birds. Okay, birds. Have branches, no fruits. No fruits, no. People make me, save me, change me. People make me, save me. Is it money? Is it money? Money. Is it money? Okay, okay, okay. Yes, children, it was very interesting session. That's only is have branches but no fruits. What is that? Have branches, no fruits. Bank. Okay, okay, bank. Okay, bank has very branches. Fine, fine. Very good, very good. Very good. Bank. Okay. Are you asking me to say some riddles? No, I didn't prepare for the riddles, children. So you're all so intelligent. You're giving the riddles instantly. I have to think for it. Okay. The next class, surely I give you some 5 very hard riddles to understand, to find out the answer. Who travel around the world? What is the question? Who travel around the world? Staying in a corner. Who travel? Is it chapels? Is it chapels? Chapels are shoes. Water. Water. Okay, okay, okay. Water or moon? Moon. Is it moon? Is it moon? I have cities but no houses. Water or moon? What is the answer? Who travel around the world staying in a corner? Is it water or moon? Priya? Moon. Stamp. Okay, very good, very good. Stamp. You said staying in a corner, no? Okay. I have cities but no houses. What is the question? No rivers, no fish. What has ring but no finger? I have forest, no trees. I have cities. I have rivers, no. No fish. I have forest, no. Ma, your questions are going very fast. You know, they cannot see the questions, ma.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, Dasin ma'am, time up, ma'am.
I
Excuse
have
me,
forests
ma'am.
with no trees. Children, I have cities but no houses. I have rivers, no fishes. I have forests, no trees. What is that? What is that? Map. Map. Is it map?
Excuse me,
What
ma'am.
is end of a
Dasin
rainbow?
ma'am.
Yes, yes, sir.
Time up, ma'am.
Okay, sir. End the class, sir. Thank you, children. You had a very good session, interesting. Next week we can have yet another interesting session. Okay. Thank you.